everybody. How long have you been there? I'm gonna get the plane ready and go do some touch and goes in this windy conditions. Why don't you come along with me? We'll see you in the plane. All right, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're here at Erie, looking to do some full stop taxi backs. The wind is coming down the runway 16, so that's the one we'll be using, and they recommend that you, because of houses down at the end of the runway, that you do full stop taxi backs for runway 16. So we're going to get the weather, going to do the pre-flight, get everything, make sure everything's running well, and then we'll check in with you as we're taxiing out to the runway.
Erie Municipal Airport. Automated weather observations. 1605 Zulu weather. Wind 160 at 13. Gust 2-3. Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 22 Celsius. Dew point 10. Altimeter 3009er. Remarks. Density altitude 6,900.
Do our run up, so we are turned into the wind, our nose wheel is straight, brakes are set and held, propeller is all the way full, fuel pump is on, throttle is going all the way full. Okay, and then we're going to lean for best power, about there, good. Throttle down to 2,000. Okay, we're at 2,000. Do our magneto check, go from both over to the right. About 100 drop, back to both. Recovery, for the left side. Same drop, back to both, good recovery. Gonna cycle the propeller 3 times. A decrease in RPM, decrease in oil pressure, increase in manifold pressure. I don't see any liquid on the screen. Carburetor heat, a good decrease. Okay, back in, good recovery. Meter mode, suction's at 5, throttle back to idle. Okay, idle checks. We're at 1,000, oil temperature, pressures are in the green. Fuel sufficient for flight, we're staying in the pattern. For takeoff, fuel selector on the left tank, fuel pump will come on when we get to the runway. Rudder and stabilator is set, do a normal takeoff. Flight controls, that goes up, that goes down, that goes up, that goes down, up and down in the back. Correct, flight instrument 0 in the airspeed. Good there, good there. Good there, engine gauges, everything's in the green. Pumps off. Pressure stays, transponder, AFR, seatbacks, belts, doors locked and latched. All right, we're going to do a normal takeoffs off of runway 16. There's gusty winds, basically coming down the runway. Any engine problems that we have while we're on the ground, we'll pull the throttle, apply the brakes, and we'll get off the runway. We get off the runway, and there's runway left. We'll try to use that to land, apply the brakes, and stop. We get off the runway, and we're below 1,000 feet, about 6,000 feet here. Gonna look out in front of us for somewhere to land. We get above 1,000 feet, probably still gonna look for something out in front of us to land, because I don't think we'll be making it back here with the winds that we have. So everything's straight out till we get to 500 feet, and then we'll make a right crosswind turn. All right, doors locked and latched, fuel pump will get on again when we get over there, landing lights will get on when we get to the runway. We're set for best power. Prime is in and locked, propeller is high. Okay, ready to taxi out to runway 16. Erie traffic, Cherokee 7055 Romeo is over at the Compass Rose. We're going to be taxiing to 16 via Alpha, joining at Alpha 2. Erie traffic. Clear all around us. I think you heard on the weather that the density altitude is 6,900 feet. Field elevation is 5,100. So it's a little warm out. We're 26 degrees Celsius right now. Okay, clear on the right. Clear on the left. Okay, I'm not hearing anybody. There's somebody above the airport 2000, but they're transitioning northbound. Buckled up back there, Tom? Hey, might need it today. It's a little... Winds are up there today, but that's all right. Since they're coming down the runway, this will be good practice for some of these windier days that we have here in Colorado. Hey, we're pulling up to the line here. We're going to make an announcement.
03 Bravo Kilo 7200 VOR Alpha, about to get to Zexot, and we'll be straight in mist 16 Erie.
Hey, somebody coming in, but they're out of the way. Erie traffic, Cherokee 7055 Romeo is going to be taking runway 16. We're going to remain in the pattern for a full stop taxi back. Erie traffic. Okay, don't hear anybody, don't see anybody. Landing lights on, fuel pumps on. Going to use all the runway. With this wind coming straight down, probably won't take us long to get off. Okay, the big 16. Of us. 16 here, brakes are set and held. Going full. Okay, everything's in the green, brakes released. Okay, we'll keep our center line. Looking good. Airspeed's alive. Okay. Gonna rotate. And there's a bird right out in front of us.
Traffic 703 Bravo Kilo 5900, VOR Alpha, showing mist 16 Erie.
Erie traffic, Cherokee 7055 Romeo is right crosswind for 16, Erie traffic. Our power back. Okay. Keep the turn coming. Erie traffic, Cherokee 55 Romeo is right midfield downwind for 16. We have full stop taxi back. Erie traffic.
Erie traffic 3 Bravo Kilo going mist. We got the traffic in the downwind on site. We're mist to the west. Erie.
Okay, we'll start to slow down. Nose over. Erie traffic, Cherokee 55 Romeo's right base, runway 16, full stop taxi. Erie traffic. Erie traffic, Cherokee 55 Romeo's turning final 16, full stop taxi back, Erie traffic. Hey, lights are on, fuel pumps on, everything's still good to go.
Erie traffic, Skyhawk 514 Mike Tango is northeast on the VOR Alpha approach, and overfly Minfield for landing.
Okay, we're stable. Bounced around a little bit.
Erie traffic, Skyhawk 514 Mike Tango, 2 miles northeast on the VOR Alpha approach, gonna overfly Minfield for landing on 16. Erie traffic 3 Bravo Kilo 1 miss for the VOR Alpha out of Erie, back northeastbound towards Shaft, back with approach, let's call it Erie.
Erie traffic, Cherokee 7055 Romeo is clear of runway 16, taxiing back. Erie traffic. I'll do one more. Getting blown around there quite a bit, so we're gonna do one more.
Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation. 1624 Zulu weather. Wind 130 at 17. Gust 22. Visibility 10.
That sounds about right.
Erie traffic, Skyhawk 514 Mike Tango is going missed on the VOR Alpha approach towards the north.
Erie area traffic, Skyhawk 160 is 6 to the northwest, going to be entering a right base for touch and goes on 15 Erie.
Erie traffic, Cherokee 7055 Romeo is going to be taking runway 16. We're going to remain in the pattern for a full stop taxi back. Erie traffic. Okay, everything looks clear.
Erie traffic, Skyhawk 514 Mike Tango, 2 to the northwest of the field, climbing through 6,300, heading back towards the shaft.
Hey, everything's in the green. Winds are coming from the left.
Aero 8 Kilo, how you inbound to Erie?
speed's alive.
Erie area traffic, Skyhawk 160 is 5 miles to the northwest. Be circling to enter the right downwind for touch and goes on 16. I have that circling traffic over I-25 in sight.
Erie traffic, Cherokee 7055 Romeo's right crosswind for 16, Erie traffic.
Erie traffic, Skyhawk 514 Mike Tango, 32 to the north, last call heading back, or departing the area to the north.
Romeo's right midfield downwind for 16. This will be a full stop for Erie traffic. It pulls the power back. First notch of flaps in. Erie traffic, Cherokee 55 Romeo's right base 16, full stop, Erie traffic. Erie traffic, Cherokee 55 Romeo is turning final 16. This will be a full stop. Erie traffic. We're going to come in with a little more speed than we did last time. Start descending. Winds are coming out of the left.
Erie area traffic, Skyhawk 160 is entering a 45 to a right downwind for touch and go 16 Erie.
Erie traffic, Cherokee 7055 Romeo is exiting 16 at Alpha 2, going back to parking. Erie traffic.
Erie traffic, how are winds on short final?
Very gusty. No wind shear, but they're kind of, they're pushing you around.
Thank you. Erie.
All right, everybody, we're back. So thanks a lot for coming along for the ride. It's pretty windy out there, but that's very common for that to happen out here in Colorado. So to come out here and get some proficiency and high winds and some gusty winds, it was pretty good. So we got 2 of them in today, and we're going to pack things up and head to the house. So thanks a lot for coming along. Appreciate it. Have a good one.